Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Ram truck 3500. We'll begin by laying down the foundational shapes, focusing on the truck's robust proportions. Think of the cab and bed as distinct rectangular blocks, ensuring they align correctly. Next, lightly sketch the wheel wells and the general position of the tires. This initial framework is crucial for maintaining accuracy as we add more detail. Remember, a good foundation makes the rest of the drawing much easier to achieve. Now let's refine the body. Focus on the distinctive grille, the sharp lines of the headlights, and the overall contours of the Ram 3500. Pay close attention to the wheels, adding intricate details to the rims and the rugged texture of the tire treads. Don't forget the smaller elements like the windows, side mirrors, and door handles. These details bring the truck to life and give it its characteristic powerful appearance. Take your time with these steps for a polished look. With the main details in place, it's time to add depth through shading. Use different pencil pressures to create shadows and highlights, giving the truck a three-dimensional feel. Think about how light would hit the surfaces, making some areas darker and others brighter. Pay special attention to the textures, like the smooth paint versus the rugged tires. Highlighting chrome elements will make them pop, adding a realistic touch to your Ram 3500 drawing. For the final touches, carefully erase any remaining construction lines to give your drawing a clean, professional look. Step back and review your Ram 3500 from a distance, checking for any missed details or areas that could be improved. A fresh perspective often reveals small adjustments that make a big difference. And speaking of making a difference, if you're looking to improve your financial understanding, check out the link in the description for Asterisk, the simple path to wealth asterisk, and other great deals. It's a fantastic resource for anyone interested in smart money management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.